Sarah from Rich Packing. If you're already buying capsule filling machine, you may have encountered some problem like difficult cleaning of the machine, secondary contamination, and very upsetting noise. So here I am today introducing you with our NJP-1500D, which can tackle your problems in the actual production. I'm going to elaborate it into 3 major key points. Daily cleaning of the machine is very essential as there might be a lot of powder residues left after using the machine. Now let's just have our engineer, Mr. Eric, to show you how to disassemble it and how easy it can be. This machine features a modular design for the filling mechanism, allowing for the complete assembling of the entire set of the mold in just 15 minutes.
The compressed air is blown into the rotary table, creating a positive pressure that prevents powder from entering. The positive airflow effectively stops powder from causing machine jams.
During the production, sometimes the noise it creates cannot meet your standards in your country, and it's gonna be annoying, right? So for this major problem, we have upgraded this machine with the internal groove can.
Unlike external cans which use spring for connection, the internal groove can operate 15 dBA quieter than others.
For you to understand it better, the difference of using internal groove can and external groove can is like you're racing a car on a track or on a cliff.
And lastly, the internal groove can support high-speed fast production. If you're looking for massive quantity production, this is something definitely that you will need.
After introducing all the key features of our NJP-1500D, are you enticed to change the capsule filling machine that you have? We are Rich Packing. Welcome to contact us.